Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Gus and Carla here. We are your favorite Dallas realtors. Hey guys, we are in the city of Celina, Texas today. We were just driving through the neighborhood, driving through this beautiful community here in Celina, and we're gonna be walking this beautiful grand homes here in the city of Celina. Guys, we do walkthroughs just like this, so make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so, and leave a comment and let us know what you think about this beautiful home. And thank you for your support.
Yeah guys, so today we're going to be walking this brand new phase that just opened up at Wellspring Estates in Celina. Also, we're doing this video from the car. We normally would do it in front of the home,
right?
But it's 100 degrees and it's super windy, so you're gonna see our kids back here, which is okay. Because you know what, we homeschool and we just have them with us all the time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
That's what we do.
So we're just gonna be real with you guys. Like this is life. They're just with us all the time.
Right.
So don't mind them. If you hear them, just ignore them. So yes. So let's jump right in. We hope that you guys really enjoy this video. We'll give you guys a little bit of information about this home. Like we said, this is a brand new phase that they just opened up. This particular floor plan that we're walking is priced at $960,000.
Yeah.
And it's roughly about 3,300 square feet, a little bit more. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-car garage, media room, and a children's retreat is standard. So you do have the option to add additional bedrooms, and this house can actually go all the way up to 4,000 square feet after adding like a 5th bedroom and a media room. So it has tons of available upgrades that you can do. Yeah. Now, of course, with the upgrades comes a different price point, but the cool thing is that Grand Homes does give you the luxury of being able to pick and choose what you want. Like you can turn a walk-in closet to a powder room. Yeah. So, and you can add a 4th car garage if you wanted to.
Tons of things you can do to this floor plan. Is very grand, just like the name.
Yes.
So yeah guys, if you guys are interested in buying your next dream home here in the city of Celina, hey, give us a call. We would love to walk you through that process and tell you more about the city of Celina. Everybody wants to be in Celina. It's a very hot city, so great school districts, very awesome downtown, tons of activities throughout the month.
Yep, and right now they've got incentives for buyers. Yeah. So this particular builder has some really great incentives. Give us a call though, because I mean they've got some great stuff that they can help with towards closing and locking rates and whatnot. So to get very specific, give us a call and we'll give you more information. Yeah. Or shoot us a message. If you don't like talking on the phone, that's okay. Yeah. Just text us. We'll text.
That's right. I think I forgot to mention that the community is called the Wellspring Estates. No, we didn't. We didn't? We didn't. I'm sorry. I thought
but there it is again.
There it is again. So guys, let's go inside this beautiful home and hope you enjoy it and let us know what you think.
guys, we hope that you enjoyed this video. We hope that it brought good value to you. Do us a favor, please, and drop a comment. Let us know what you liked the most. And we hope that you guys will hit that click and like the video, subscribe to our channel, please. We're really trying to get 400 subscribers by the end of August. So if that happens, we're going to do something awesome. I'm not sure what, but we'll do something awesome at the end of the month for you guys. So do us a favor, hit that like and subscribe button, and come back and see us next time.
That's right. We'll see you. Bye.